In this lesson, we're gonna add in the bottle and mask it out to make it look like it's inside the peel. So we will start by importing the image. Hit Ctrl O to import. Here it is, orangina.png. I'm gonna hit Ctrl A to select everything, Ctrl C to copy, go back, then hit Ctrl V to paste. The bottle actually has the best size for this document, so I don't have to resize it down or anything. I'm going to merge the clone stamping layer with this layer and name it peel top or top peel. Then I'll resize it down a little bit because now I see it's big in relation to the bottle. I'm gonna merge the bottom peel layers as well and name it peel bottom. I used Ctrl Alt E to create a copy merged and left the original group. I always work non-destructively because I wanna go back to it when I mess up the copy or when I want to make some changes in the future. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a mask to the bottle and then load the selection of the peel by holding Ctrl and clicking on the layer thumbnail. Then I'll grab the brush and start painting inside the selection, and that will hide this part of the bottle and make it look inside the peel. I want to reduce the brush size and use X to toggle between background and foreground, and paint with white here to bring this part of the bottle. Then I'll do the same thing for this part as well. This time I'll load the selection of the bottom peel and continue painting on the same layer mask. One more thing you should know: if you click on the link icon of the layer mask, you will be able to move the bottle without having to repaint the mask. And this is actually really helpful if you decide to reposition the bottle later on. Alright, so that's a wrap for this video. In the next one, we are going to start color correction and painting lights and shadow for the peel.